Hey YouTube, it's your girl Miss EriBates coming at y'all with another video. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I created this lovely headband wig by hand. Stay tuned for my video and tell me what you think at the end, alright? What comes Alright guys, so first I'm going to start by cutting a black headband and placing that at the edge of the wig cap so that I can sew it down. I'm going to sew it down one side and then the next side so that it's even and I'm not making any mistakes. Careful not to poke yourself because I definitely just stabbed myself, but I did get a tetanus shot in the past 10 years, so I'm good. Look at this fool. Look, my boyfriend makes a cameo. He is too cute, all up in my camera, and he thinks that you guys are his fans or something. He's like, hi, my YouTube channel. No, this is Miss EriBates' YouTube channel. Boy, if you don't go. So I guess he just wants to hang out with me back here. So we'll just, try to pay attention to wig making and try not to make any mistakes in front of him because he really thinks I'm the GOAT, y'all. Alright, so I'm just taking the sticky side, well not the sticky side, but the hard side and the soft side of Velcro strips and placing that on the respective areas of the tails of the headband in the back, as you can see. The stickiness of the Velcro is not sticky enough to stay stuck to the headband. That was a mouthful to say. But the stickiness is not sticky enough to stay stuck to the cloth of the headband. So you want to take your needle and thread and make sure you sew that onto the headband so that it doesn't go anywhere. So now I'm just going to take and sew my first bundle onto the base of the wig cap. And I'm not sure what length this is. These bundles were used as clip-ins in a previous hairstyle for half up, half down style with my natural hair. So I'm not sure how long they are, but obviously they fit some part of my head. I'm not sure which part. But this hair is so beautiful, guys. Get into this look. I cannot wait for you to see the finished product. It is so curly, so big, so beautiful, and so full of life. Also, I forgot to mention that these wefts are doubled. Some of them are, you'll see that I take some apart closer to the end, so I want my front to lay more flat. But the back of the wig cap is mainly going to be double wefts, which is fine. It gives you a more fuller look. So as I am placing the bundles onto the cap, I love this cap, this canvas head or whatever. I love it. So I am pushing the needles through the wefts of the track so that the track stays in place as to where I want it. And when I get to the needle or the T-pin, I'm just going to take it out so that my string doesn't get caught in it, just like that, and go on from there. I would say that the sewing of the first track probably took the longest because I haven't made a hand-sewn wig in so long, since I was like in high school, y'all, like 16, 17 years old. And I'm currently 25, so that's about 10 years ago. So it's been a minute, so bear with me, but we're gonna get through it and we're gonna make this wig poppin'. So I just raised it up because I am a tall girl. I don't know why I had that wig stand so low, but I just like moving things around and finding a more comfortable place everywhere I go. So I am sewing right now. I'm sewing the tracks underneath of the weft. I'm not going through the weft, if that makes sense. And then you'll see me knot off every so often, like every 2 times I go under the weft, I'll knot off so that it stays in place. I actually changed my mind like mid video and started going through the weft because I figured, okay, through the weft is going to be more secure than going under the weft. And under the weft, it just, I mean, it's more loose, it's more flexible to put it into a ponytail, but I'm not really concerned about flatness of a ponytail with this curly hair. Alright guys, so I sewed the rest of the bundles off camera. You just want to keep going from ear to ear, side to side, and sewing your bundles on and go from there. So that's me saying I'm doing this off camera. Once you get to the top of the wig, you want to start sewing the bundles or tracks side to side versus in a U shape. You want to start sewing them more in a line formation, if that makes sense. And I'm going to keep sewing right up until I get to meet with the headband. Once I meet with the headband, I make sure that this part lays as flat as any other section that I sewed down, because this will be covered by the headband, the black headband. You don't want it to be too tall or stand too high. So basically, this front bundle has to be as seamless as possible. It has to be your most seamless track. Alright y'all, so I did go and sew some large clips into the base of the wig off camera so that the wig could stay more secure onto my head. So I'm just putting that wig on. I am going to create another YouTube video detailing how I put the wig on, but this is the final look. Thank you for watching my video. Love y'all. Bye babes.